Okay, hi, I'm Kerry, and I'm going to replace a fan in this General Electric 10-year-old refrigerator. So you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, like what I'm doing now. And there's 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to take this back wall off first to get at the evaporator fan. Okay, so I've got these kind of loose. These are just Phillips head screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this little outside fan cover pushes up and then out, and there it goes. Okay, goes away. Then there's this beat up styrofoam air director. And there's another piece stuck in here. We're just going to leave it in there. Okay, so that comes up. Then you have 2 1/4-inch screws there, and socket set. All right, so boom, we're gonna take these off. One. Be careful they don't fall down this hole here. There's 1, and there's 2. All right. So this fan makes a loud noise. It's a common problem, and the bearings wear out after a certain amount of time, and you just replace it for depending on what you can get it for, used or unused on eBay. Okay, so here we go. There's the fan, and so this is the blade that spins, and you can see there's a 5/16 screw in there. Can you see it right there? All right. I'm going to take that out, and we're going to be very careful of the blade, and we're going to take that one out there, and there's also a ground green wire that connects over here to this aluminum. This is the evaporator. There's a couple little connections there. So we're going to make sure that goes back. And we're going to disconnect this by squeezing these 2 tabs here, and that will pull out. Okay, so and then we're going to put everything back, the new fan, just the way we found it. So if you want, you could take a picture of the way the setup is now, and just to be safe. But you can actually pull this fan off right now. Some people take the little clip on the outside here off, but I prefer not to because it's kind of hard to put it back on. So, okay, I'm actually it's actually kind of hard. I'll wait till I have the motor off this mount here, and then we'll take the fan blade off. Okay, so stay tuned for part 2. And my name is Kerry, and we're replacing the evaporator fan in the freezer compartment of a top and bottom original General Electric refrigerator.